Hey, I'm Alan. Welcome to Broz Fitness. Welcome to today's unboxing video. My goal is not just to create some videos about the stuff I use, but to inform and motivate you and help you with product reviews. So please comment, subscribe, or follow along at brozfitness.com. I just received this Manduka yoga mat I ordered from their website. You can find a link in the video description for the mat that I bought. I'm so sorry that it took me a little longer to get these videos started, but since fall semester began, I wanted to make sure that I got Nude-ish Yoga off to a good start. You can, of course, catch my Nude-ish Yoga on YouTube or at the Broz Fitness channel. You can also catch it on the Broz.fitness blog or at brozfitness.com. This is attempt number 3 or 4, but I'm really excited to try and get this to you all. I've been trying to figure out a great camera angle from which you can see me and hear me clearly. I think I got it this time. Today I'm unboxing this mat from Manduka. I chose Manduka because it's one that's developed by yoga teachers and because I originally saw one of my friends using it. You can't see the whole box. So I should drop some coffee. You can't see the whole box in frame, I guess you can, but you know, it's about yoga mat size. I picked the 4mm 71 by 24 inch in this really cool dressed in blue. I really appreciate the sustainable qualities that Manduka says. I originally picked up some cork yoga blocks from Manduka the other day, and they're incredibly durable, and I love them. I imagine that the biodegradable, non-Amazon rubber used to make the mat is also pretty strong too. And what's more, to make the mat stronger, it's reinforced with a blend of polyester and cotton. Okay, let's do it. Box cutter! Bam, bam, bam. Oh, sweet. So it's like pre-wrapped. Oop, there goes the receipt. Sweet. Perfect. They like sent it out the next day when I ordered it, and it is here within, I think, 2 or 3 days. So it's about yoga mat size. Here's that blue. It looks a lot different than the one that I ordered, and I really like it. It feels good on my hands. Let's get it out of the plastic. It feels, ooh, that is nice. It feels really nice on my hands. I was afraid, I've never bought like a high-end yoga mat, and I always see these reviews that it's like really tough to break yoga mats in. This one feels nice, and yeah, let's get it out of this. You're about to see Doodle, I think. Can you get down, please? She really likes the plastic. See, there's fun for everybody involved. Doodle, come on. Hey, you don't need to eat plastic. Thank you, though. Okay. Now we got Doodle time. We got plastic. We got, oh, you want to fight? Okay. Hi. Okay. So, oh, it's two-sided. So it's got this color on the inside. I imagine that this is probably not easy to practice on, but we'll see. But this side is for sure a yoga mat. It's got these grooves in it, which makes me feel like I sweat a lot in my yoga practice, and it makes me feel like I will not slip as hard in this one. It feels kind of heavy. I think the bigger ones are about 7 pounds. This one feels like it's like 4 or 5. Yeah. It does feel a little bit better than the one that I'm currently practicing on, and I can definitely say that it's probably way better than the ones that you find at the gym. I'll get to practicing later on this guy today. If you want to catch me for Nude-ish Yoga, I think it's going to be around 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Thanks for watching my first unboxing video. Keep checking back for more. I have a few others that I'm currently working on. I get a lot of fitness products that I try to incorporate for my clients' personal training programs, as well as the ones that I use for myself. You can see those here. You can also see some workouts at brozfitness.com. As always, a great body starts with a great plan. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name's Alan. I'll be around for a little bit to answer some questions. Otherwise, I'll see you at yoga today.